Alt R. Meet that.
Hello, everybody. Let us start
Speech on demand.
today's Chakshmati Inclusive Toastmasters and Gavel Club meeting. We are currently having less people, but we need to advertise with all our friends because this club is for all. It is an inclusive club. There will be people with special needs as well as normal people also can join and get trained, and they can deliver their toast. So they'll become better public speakers. So let me appoint Dwaj as today's Toastmaster. Dwaj, you can take over. I will do the evaluation of the speech first.
So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Chakshmati Inclusive Toastmasters and Gavel Club meeting. I am your Toastmaster Dwaj, and today we have topic which is the New Year's resolutions. So I would love to invite Ashwin to give his speech. Ashwin, please come on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ashwin from Chennai. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Continue.
We can see you also.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ashwin from Chennai, and I wish you all a happy New Year. And I am studying in Sharnalia Montessori School and in 8th standard. Today, I am going to talk about my New Year resolution. My New Year resolution is to write the JLPT exam or the Japanese language proficiency test in the month of July. I have been learning Japanese for the past 3 months from my relative. I have been learning Japanese by following a textbook which has 25 lessons and helps me to learn the language. This book I found out on Google, the best book for foreign students to study Japanese. The title of this book is Minna no Nihongo. I want to take the JLPT because my dream is to learn one foreign language and write a test. Till now, I did not find resources to learn a foreign language, but in August, I found resources to learn Japanese, and hence I'm learning Japanese. It has been a wonderful experience learning Japanese. Japanese is very easy for me, and hence I want to work hard and achieve this in this year 2022 amidst all this pandemic. Thank you all.
So very good speech by Ashwin, and I would love to invite our Ramkamal sir to evaluate Ashwin's speech.
Yes, Cavalier Ashwin has done a wonderful job like always. Whenever he do the task, he do it very precise and very good. But Ashwin, there are certain things you need to be very, very, very important, because since you come into a video, you must go, not now, I'm talking about before you come into the program, you must go and comb your hair,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Because you look more beautiful when you comb your hair. Okay, that is one thing. And I really, really, really appreciate your New Year resolution topic. Fantastic. And learning a new language, that too Japanese, is it's a fantasy. It is really good. I know that you are trying for an accessible examination for JLPT,
Yes.
and I will make sure that you will get an accessible examination permission. And also I'm trying to get you accessible Japanese books for you to read and master the language. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I still remember a few years back, maybe a year or year and a half back, you said you want to become a marine biologist.
Actually, now I've changed my ambition. Like now, in not I don't want to focus on marine. Like so I want to focus on uh, environmental sciences.
Okay. Both
Take that.
Japan is the best testing ground and learning place
Oh,
for
okay.
environmental science or whatever it comes with environment. Okay, or circular economy. All those things, Japan is the best place to study higher studies, and Japanese government is giving free scholarships for Indian students to go to Japan and do their degree and post graduation and doctoral programs.
Okay,
So
sir.
you took a right decision of taking Japanese language as a resolution. Fantastic.
Thank
And
you.
I like your speech. There is nothing more to comment. Excellent. And
Thank
now you should ask all your friends in Sharanalaya Montessori School to join Chakshumati Inclusive Toastmasters Club.
actually, sir, I am only the only student in class 8. Actually, there are no other students in class 8.
Ask the
Actually,
other classes, 9, 10, ask your school management to publicize with the students so that they can become good public speakers.
okay,
Okay?
sir. But like, how do I tell? Like, if there is any leaflet also, I can share that, sir. But
Yeah, I'll send you a write-up. Share with them with a
Okay,
link
sir.
for Google link for registering. Okay?
Okay, sir. I will share it.
So ask not only in that school, your previous school or anywhere else also, you have connections, your friends in the apartment, ask them to join.
Oh,
They may be
okay.
shy of doing toast, but day by day they will improve. Okay?
Okay, okay,
This is a
sir.
big service we need to give to all your friends in the locality, in your circle, as well as in your school and other schools. Okay?
Okay, sir. If you
Okay.
send me the write-up, I will.
Yeah, we'll send it. We'll send it. Dutch, we need to circulate a letter and link, joining link. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
So, where we had a great speech by Ashwin and a good evaluation by Ramkamal sir. Now I will like to invite RS. I don't know, I didn't remember his name, but do you want to provide a toast
Introduce and talk.
and introduce and talk? Exactly.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ravi Solanki, and I'm from MP Indore. I am doing my graduate from the DFV University in BA. It's my first year, and today I didn't make my New Year resolution because I'm new in Toastmasters, so I don't know what we have to do. That's why I.
Okay, you don't need to do a toast. You can simply talk to us about what the New Year resolution you made for this year.
Okay.
Noted. Okay, that is the passion for many people to make a resolution like this year I am going to achieve this, or this year I am going to do daily physical exercises, or this year I am going to make new friends, whatever it is. Then they will try to achieve that. Some may say like, okay, after a few weeks, few months, they'll say, okay, next year. It's okay. Ravi, on the next Toastmaster meeting, we definitely wish Ravi to do a toast on the topic or anything you want to place as a speech. You can do that. Okay, Ravi?
Okay.
And also, you can ask your friends and colleagues to do the toast also. Hi, Kanaran sir, how are you?
Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Happy New Year to all of you.
Happy New Year, Kandagan sir.
So we had one toast by Ashwin
Oh, okay, already.
already. Ashwin, can you repeat that toast
No.
for Karnavaran sir?
Should we let
So
it?
that he will be really interested to hear your New Year resolution.
Okay, okay,
Sir,
sir.
just a second. Sir, can I pause the recording because it will repeat now?
No, you carry on. It's all right. Okay. Okay, do pause.
Yeah, just a second.
You edit it
Okay.
later, man.
Meeting it.
Karnavaran sir, your comments, please.
Great job.
Space.
Ashwin.
Speech on demand.
One thing which struck me was at a very young age, you are determined. You have a purpose in life, and you found out ways of learning Japanese. You did your own work. So great work, and this kind of attitude will take you places. Definitely. All the best, Ashwin.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So this time we have a new member, Ravi Solanki from Madhya Pradesh. He's a degree student. He didn't prepare a toast for this meeting, but in the coming meetings he will also deliver some toast. And we are having a little bit of less members participating in the club meeting. We need to wake most of the people Dutch and to
Yeah.
bring them to the next meeting. Okay.
Yeah,
The third Sunday of January.
Sir,
Okay. And we will come out with some interesting topic for discussion.
excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
And also on the third Sunday, we will do some training program on public speaking
Yes.
before the toast starts.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I want to provide my own speech.
Yeah, you have to provide a speech. You are waiting for Karnavaran sir to come, no?
Yeah.
Deliver it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a sec.
Okay.
Am I visible properly?
Your head is cutting.
Just
Go a
a
little
sec.
bit behind.
Actually,
Okay. Oh, that is good. That is good. That is fine. Yeah, that's enough. Don't pull your laptop down.
so good evening, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dwaj, and I am studying in class 11, and I live in Gujarat. So first of all, very happy New Year to everyone present over here, and I will give toast about my New Year resolution which I took, which is to get around 1500 rating in chess. I'm really working hard for studies as well as chess, and I'm a good chess player. I'm eight-time district champion. From past 10 years I'm playing chess, but due to this COVID, I'm not able to go and attend any offline tournaments, but I'm playing online tournaments in accessible formats. And I am around 1250 rating points, and I want to go above at least 1500 rating points. So today is around 2nd January. So till 31st December 2022, I want to get a rating of 1500. And 1500 means a minimum goal. If above 1500 is good, but I will not leave below 1500 rating points. So this is my 1 New Year resolution. And the second resolution which I have taken is to get 80+% in class 11th and half year of class 12th till December. So I want that I can score around 85% or maybe 80-85% is minimum which I need, and I will do hard work for it. So thank you. Over to you, Ramkumar sir.
But I like your New Year resolutions. Both resolutions is very much you can fulfill it. There is no doubt in that. Okay, if you work hard, you can definitely fulfill that. And being a plus two student,
No,
you
sir,
are
+1. I mean +1.
yeah, getting to plus two, next year.
Yeah, yeah,
By the end of this year, you will reach to the plus two, right?
yeah.
Okay. So anyway, preparing for the NEET is also very important. Really good. I like that. Over to Karnaran sir for his comment.
Okay. I attended the last session, you spoke. Then Ram Kamal sir pointed out one thing, that you must remove your hands to the chest level.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm happy you are genuinely trying to do that.
Yeah.
Compared to last time, you had tried your best to raise your hands. The hand movements were much better this time. So that's a good thing you have done. Okay. Then I find, as I noticed earlier also, you are a very hardworking person.
Thank
So you
you.
have set a goal, a reasonable goal, I think. So hopefully you may reach that. So all the best, Dwaj.
Thank you, sir.
So I have a small comment on that hand gestures. Okay. So what we'll do, we will have a training session for you personally on hand gestures before the next Toastmaster meeting.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Now your hands started working, but it is not raising up.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That is one thing. And second thing, I know your hands issues also. Okay. Karnal sir is having a little bit of issues with his palm.
Okay.
So that way we need to do a cheat on that. Like it's very easy. Boxer Muhammad Ali.
Mhm.
He had a paralyzed hand.
Okay.
Okay. But he don't want to show his paralyzed hand to the public.
Mhm.
So once he come to Qatar, where I was working with Gulf Times as a journalist.
Mhm.
So I had a very rare chance to stay with him for 2 days.
Mhm.
Stay with him means I was his personal assistant for 2 days. I was staying with him in his suite,
Mhm.
along with him, and I was educating him on Qatar and the people, and also facilitating all his services.
Mhm.
So I noticed that his one hand is paralyzed. Not many people don't know that. So when in the evening we were about to go out, he asked me to take the suitcase and hand it to him. I took the suitcase. It is very light, no weight at all.
Mhm.
I given to his hand.
Mhm.
Then he transferred that from his functioning hand to the hand which is paralyzed.
Mhm.
And he was holding that suitcase wherever he go.
Mhm.
A small suitcase, right?
Mhm.
Like a small briefcase. So people think he's holding it, his hand is okay, perfect. It's a small cheat he did, right? The same thing, I will train you before the next Toastmasters
Yes.
how to do that cheat with your palms.
Mhm.
Okay?
Mhm.
Right. Thank you. It's a good job you did.
Very interesting. Very interesting, sir.
Yes. Mhm.
So, Ravi, before the next Toastmasters, if you like to have a training from us, prepare a subject for your toast, do some practice, then kindly inform us. Send a WhatsApp message that you are ready. Then we will give you a Zoom link and training, okay, or a Google Meet link, and provide you the training so that you can do a better performance in the club meeting. Okay, Ravi?
Yes, sir. You can share me.
Yeah, great. So Ravi, also ask your colleagues to join, sighted colleagues as well as any other colleagues with special needs. We need a big group from Madhya Pradesh. to join us. Okay?
Yes, sir. I have some friends, but they know the basic English. They
No
I
issues.
think they can't speak in English properly.
No, now we need people like that. That is our duty to improve their language. They can prepare a speech by writing, practicing it, and
But sir, their vocab and verbs are not very well.
that's what I said. So we can give them, let them listen to the toast. Then we will give them every Toastmaster Club meeting next time onwards. We'll do a small 5 minutes to 10 minutes training program on how to improve your language. Karnaran sir is with us. So I will also help you. And we can have small training programs like how to increase your vocabulary, how to do a speech without fear, how to prepare your speech. We can do such training programs for next Toastmaster meeting onwards. First 10 to 15 minutes, we will do the training program. Then we have the Toast program.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I want to know is any application which is best for us for vocab and verbs?
Sir, Duolingo.
The best, yeah. That
Duolingo.
side of the technology side, Dodge will help you as well as. Do you got a Bookshare membership?
Yes,
Sir.
I have Bookshare membership.
Okay, I will send you some books links. Okay, download those books and read it.
Yeah.
And
So it will definitely give you a vocabulary enhance.
Ravi,
Yeah.
you can download Duolingo. It's available on Play Store as well as App Store. Use the
I
download.
have Duolingo, but I didn't use much.
You use it. You use
If you
it.
want the training, we will do the training. No problems.
Okay, and I want to know, can we have one by one conversation on Duolingo?
Yeah, you can ask Dodge to give you a special session for you. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
In Duolingo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So another, you fix the timing with Dodge, and he will give you training on that. Anything comes with technology, ask Dodge. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Or even Ashwin can also help you.
I shared you a link, YouTube link, 2 links. One is Ram Kamal sir's channel, our Chakshmati's channel, and one is mine. For technological support, you can visit my channel, and for Chakshmati things, you can subscribe our Ram Kamal sir's channel.
Okay, guys. So this week's meeting is a very short meeting.
Short
Only
meeting.
2 toasters. No problem. So next meeting we will see more. I will this week Naina was supposed to come. Naina said she will come, but I don't know what happened. Maybe some technical issues. Sudan is also missing in the scene.
Yes.
We had to call Sudan also. Okay, and we'll call all our people next time. I want to see at least 6 to 7 toasts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then make sure that Karnaran sir will be listening all these speeches. Okay?
Sir, in starting, many people used to come, but now people have.
We used to have 30 to 40 people initially.
Yeah.
When we
But
change
now-
the time here and there, then we lost many people, but we will restart it now.
Yes.
Okay.
We need to do some advertisements. Like,
Yeah.
Hmm.
Karnaran sir, thank you very much. So next
Okay.
week, will you be able to give a small training programs to
No,
kids?
training I am not that good. I will listen to the training, then let me see.
Okay. I will next time. I will do a small training.
Yeah.
Then after that, the other coming one of the coming meetings are also will be giving
Yeah, okay.
English language improvement classes.
That I can do. Let me see. Okay,
Yeah.
I want to. How do I get into Bookshare? How do I get the books? How
Good
do I-
sir, I will organize a membership for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
definitely.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you all of you
Thank
for
you.
today's session.
Thank
And
you,
we
Ram
will
Kamal
meet
sir.
on the third Sunday
Sunday.
of January.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you all and have a nice new year and work hard.